In this video, we'll try to take a look into how you can add Google Analytics into your WordPress site, so you can see all of your Search Console data and your site performance into your WordPress dashboard. And there are a couple of ways for adding Google Analytics into your site. One thing you can do, that you can create a property into Google Analytics, and after setting up the property, you can add the code into your site using a plugin or without a plugin. The good news is that Google itself has a plugin to automatically add the analytics into your site. So let's take a look into the plugin. So I also want to let you know that before Google released their official plugin, there was some plugins like Monster Insight or Google Analytics Dashboard, GADWP, and there are a couple of other plugins. But they have paid version also. But as Google officially released their plugins, and it's absolutely free, so we will only use the plugin provided by Google. So to get the plugin installed to add Google Analytics into your site, let's go to plugins and add a new plugin. Now I'll search for here something like analytics, and here you can see Sitekit by Google, and the publisher who own this plugin is Google. And here is another plugin which is very popular before Google added their plugin, and still lots of people are using this plugin. As you can see, 3 million active installation, and it has a pro version as well. But as we are getting almost all of our feature for free with the Google official Google plugin, I will just use the official Google plugin and avoid any other plugin available here. Here, Exact Metrics, it's also a very popular plugin. It was a very popular plugin, and then something recently the user started hating it for various reasons. And let's go ahead and install this one and configure this one. So as you can see, the Sitekit by Google is installing into your site. It might take a couple of seconds, so let's be patient until it's installed. So after installing this plugin, what you can do is we need to activate this plugin. So click on activate. So the plugin is activated, and it's working in the background to check up some sort of data. So if you want to share some anonymous usage data to Google, then you can click this box. I'm just avoiding it, and I'm going to click on Start Setup. So this is the first step after installing the plugin. Let's click on Start Setup. So this will open this window, and it will ask you to sign in into your Google account and verify everything. So let's sign in into Google, and we can use our Gmail account to sign in, and Sitekit needs a couple of access here. So those are required and primary, and these are optional. I'm going to click them so I can show you most out of this plugin. Click continue, and now click proceed. It's automatic. You just need to do a couple of clicks and everything will be set up for you. So click on allow. So now you need to set up the Search Console. Now your site has access to your Google data, and now you need to set up your Search Console first. So add a site. So it's added. As you can see, your Search Console is set up already. So go to My Dashboard, and it will take you to your dashboard of your site. And as you can see, Search Console has been connected, and you will start seeing your impressions and clicks from the Search Console. So, and below that, you can also show which links are performing better and which is not, and lots of other data. Just go ahead and explore yourself. So the search console part is done. We have added search console and connected our site with Google Search Console. Now we need to connect the analytics. So to connect the analytics, let's go ahead and click on connect service. So again, we need to do a couple of steps like choosing the email we want to use and giving access to the site. So it might take a couple of seconds to set up it in the background, and now you need to actually set up your account here. So by default it will be added by your site name and your site URL. You don't need to edit this. You can edit this account name. This is you can write anything you want, but this property is your domain name, must be your domain name. So all website data, which is fine. United Kingdom for me, which is fine, and United Kingdom time zone is fine for me. So let's create the account. Again, go ahead and give the access and check the boxes and click on continue. So give a couple of seconds so everything done in the background. So we have to accept the terms and condition of Google Analytics. Go ahead and accept it. And now it's done. Google Analytics has been set up into your site successfully. So go to my dashboard. And as you can see, Search Console and Google Analytics both are connected, and Analytics started gathering the data from Google into your site so it can show you what's happening. So from here you can view last 28 days or 90 days as you want, and that's it. Your Search Console and your Google Analytics setup has been done with just a few clicks. So now let's go ahead into our Google Analytics account, and you'll see that the account we just created minute before, like WP4 and your domain name, it's here. So let's go ahead and WP4, and here as you can see your analytics and all website data. That's it. Our Google Analytics setup has been done. Well, we can do that manually also by logging into our Google Analytics account, and then they will give a JavaScript code which you can add into your site, and the Google Analytics will start collecting data for your site. In that case, if you want to view something, then you have to log in into Google account and view what's happening within your site, from where your users are coming and what they are doing, and also your Search Console data, how your website is performing in search result. But if you install the plugin and do this, then you don't need to go to Google dashboard. You can watch all your data within your WordPress site, which is cool. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, let's go ahead and subscribe so I can continue making videos. And thanks for supporting. Have a great day.